Good morning, children. So today we'll be discussing about the second part of respiration. The earlier part that we discussed was cellular respiration. Today we'll be discussing about the physical part, which is called breathing. Now every organism needs to exchange the respiratory gases. So before going to the respiratory system of human beings, we'll be discussing about how this exchange or breathing takes place in other simple organism. Suppose we take the case of unicellular organisms like amoeba. So since it is unicellular organism, the entire plasma membrane is in contact with the environment. So it is through the plasma membrane that exchange of gases takes place. What goes out? Carbon dioxide will go out, oxygen moves in. So in case of amoeba and other unicellular organism, it is through the exchange of gases is through plasma membrane. Now let us take the case of earthworm. So earthworm, they have moist skin. So through the moist skin, there is exchange of gases which takes place. Carbon dioxide moves out and oxygen moves in through the skin. So in case of earthworm, the exchange of gases occurs through moist skin. It is also called cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous respiration. Next we take the example of insects. If you look at the body of insect, it is very clearly visible in case of grasshopper. On the side you will find black color spots. So these are minute holes and these holes are called spiracles. So through these spiracles the gases exchange will take place. So it is called spiracular or tracheal because inside there is a network of tube. Spiracular or tracheal respiration, which occurs in case of insects. So what basically happens is that inside the body these spiracles they move and divide themselves into a network of tubes which are called trachea. So through that the gases gets circulated in the whole body. Another example of cutaneous respiration or respiration through the skin we can find in case of amphibians as well. So in case of amphibians, in frogs and toads, we know that they have got moist skin. So in case of amphibians also, exchange of gases occurs through the moist skin, cutaneous respiration. Next we take the example of fishes. In fishes you know that just behind their eyes they have a network of this comb like structure which are called gills. So the exchange, now you must have seen the fishes are continuously drinking water. So as they drink water, the water doesn't go through the stomach, it passes over the gills. Gills are bright red in color because they are richly supplied with blood. So in the gills what happens, there is the exchange of gases. So these are the different ways by which different organisms they exchange their gases. Now coming to human beings, today I will be discussing about the respiratory system of human beings. So how to draw? Just follow the diagram. This was the mouth portion that we have drawn earlier. We'll be focusing on the nose area. So basically this is the human respiratory system.